Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix page not found in Hostinger Websites Builder 2026. So if 404 error means the page URL doesn't exist or isn't published, okay? So if you see or you saw that error, you will need to make sure at first the page actually exists. That sounds obvious, right? But it's the first cause. So you will need to check as well. So you'll need to open the website builder, right, and then just go to the pages, right? So go with website right here, go to that specific website that you want, go with edit website next to that website, and after that just go with pages here on the left hand menu or the left side panel, and here you will need to confirm the page is not deleted, not set as draft, not hidden by mistake. Alright, so for example we're talking about tutorials, okay? So you'll need to make sure just from here. Alright, and if the page actually is missing, you will need to recreate it, and if draft, you will need to publish the site, okay, by going live from here. Also, you'll need to check the page URL. So if you change the page name, the URL may have changed too. So to fix that issue, you will need to go with that specific page, just select it, and after that you will need to open the page settings, okay? So for example, that's 3 dots, and then just go with page URL, right? So if you actually can see that in new URL, the old links will show 404 error or page not found, okay? So you will need to go ahead and update the menu links, the buttons, the internal links, etc., and then just publish the site. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.